going on, Sacred family? Today I'm gonna show you guys how to animate 3D text or lyrics for music videos inside After Effects. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe button down below. Go ahead, join the family. We're nice and friendly here. Come on in, give me a hug. I know you want to come in. Come on, hit that like button so YouTube can continue to push my videos out to other content creators as well. With that being said, let's hop straight into it. This will be the clip we'll be working with today inside After Effects. First thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and track the camera. We're gonna go up to our tracker, press track camera. If you guys don't see this, go to your window. Go down to tracker, select it. Go ahead and press on track camera, and then After Effects is gonna do its thing and analyze the background. Once it's tracked and we go through it, you can see there's all these tracker points. You guys want to choose an area where there's a lot of tracker points involved. So I see on the hoop there's a lot of tracking points. So I'm gonna go ahead, highlight all those areas. I'll right click, create text in camera. Now if we play it back, you can see the text is there, glued. Now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and rotate that to our liking. So let's turn it this way. Let's bring it up. Go ahead and rotate toward the screen just like so. Now I want the text to start off in the corner. So we're gonna bring that to the side right there, just like so. I'm gonna zoom out, bring the text up. Bring the text up just like that. Now for us to match it up with the song, we have to listen to what the artist is saying. So if I play it back,
pass to me, shit, I'm hot as grease.
So Babytron is saying, pass to me, shit, I'm hot as grease. Around here he says, shit, I'm hot. So we're gonna go ahead and control D right there. We're gonna listen again. Right here he says as grease. Go ahead and control D again. And since he says as grease right here, we're gonna control shift D. We're gonna go and delete the rest. We're gonna double click. We're gonna change it to as grease. I forgot to cut the other one, so let's go back and listen. He says shit, I'm hot right here, so we're gonna control shift D, cut it right there. Now this will be our first text, so we're gonna write pass to me. Right here, he says shit, I'm hot as. As you guys can see, they're all overlaying each other. So what we want to do is we want to go over here. This is the second text. We're gonna go up to our selection tool, and we're gonna bring that down. Bring that to the side just like so. Then the as grease, we're gonna bring that down as well. Over here to the side. Now that we have all that set up in place, we want to go ahead and do the animation. For this one, for pass to me, I'm gonna just put it a little bit more up. Make sure you guys put it to where you like it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go to our transform settings. We're gonna add a keyframe to our position, and we're gonna bring that all the way to the left. We're gonna go a couple of frames past the shit, I'm hot. Let's zoom a little bit more out so we can see it, and we're gonna bring that back in just like so. Now if we play it back,
pass to me, shit, I'm hot as grease.
let me zoom back out a little bit. We're gonna bring it down so it shows up more in the frame. Press here to bring up those keyframes, and let's bring it down to the same spot. Then we're gonna control shift D, cut the remainder right there so it disappears. Now we want the pass to me to disappear when the shit, I'm hot comes in. What we're gonna do is we're gonna search up fast box blur. We're gonna throw that on top. The same spot where the animation stops, we're gonna go ahead and keyframe the blur radius. We're gonna go in about 3 frames, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna bring that blur radius to 300. And if we play it back, it just disappears. Pass to me is sliding in way too slow, so we're gonna go ahead and bring that position keyframe in so it comes in a little bit faster. We're gonna search up another effect called directional blur. Throw it on top. I'm giving you guys some animation sauce right here, so make sure you hit that like button. Help the channel grow, guys. Come on, it's free support. Let's get it. Since you guys hit that like button, I'm gonna show you the extra sauce. When it's halfway in, you're gonna keyframe the blur length. Make sure you bring that direction to 90. We're gonna go about 3 frames in. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna bring that blur length. We're gonna bring that blur length to 250. We're gonna go 3 frames in again. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna bring that back down to 0. If we play it back, you guys can see it goes into blur and then it clears back up, which is a fire animation. Make sure you guys turn on motion blur as well. Can't forget the motion blur. Let's also make sure we select those position keyframes, F9 and easy ease. We're gonna go to the graph editor. Make sure you right click, go to speed graph. We're gonna make the animation the fast in the beginning. So let's bring this in. Make a graph just like this. That means it's gonna come in fast in the beginning and slow down. And we play it back.
Pass to me, shit, I'm hot as grease.
Alright, we're done with that animation. Now we're gonna go to the shit, I'm hot. For this one, we're gonna press S for scale. We're gonna keyframe at the beginning. We're gonna bring that scale to 0. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 3 frames in. Bring that back to 3000. Go ahead and bring this a little bit more in, just like so. And we're gonna add the same effects that we added to the pass to me, directional blur, throw it on top. Let's go ahead and keyframe that blur length. Let's go in about 2 keyframes. That's to 250. Go 2 more keyframes in. 1, 2. Bring that back down to 0. I'm gonna search our fast box blur once again. Throw it on top. I'm gonna keyframe the blur radius. And then when as grease comes in, go in a couple keyframes in. Bring that all the way up so it disappears. Play it back. Fire. We're gonna highlight those 2 keyframes for the scale, F9 and easy ease. We're gonna do the same graph as before. Make it fast in the beginning, just like so. Now for as grease, for this animation, I'm gonna press S again for the scale. Let's move it to where we want it. Move it like right there. We're gonna scale in the beginning. This time we're gonna scale it up. Then we're gonna go 5 frames in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna bring that scale down to 0 this time. It's going too fast, so let's bring that out just a little bit. Select those keyframes, F9 again. This time we're gonna make it faster in the end. So let's bring the keyframes in just like that. Play it back, let's see how it looks like. Make sure you guys turn on motion blur for all those. That is the end of this tutorial, guys. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Be a part of the Sacred Takes team. We're dropping videos every single day. We're going crazy. Hit that like button if you support the channel. It's free support, guys. If you support me, hit that like button right now. You don't want to miss out. Hit the notification bell so you see every time I post. With that being said, catch you guys in the next one. Sacred team out.